How's it going? It's Dustin Hunting NZ here, and welcome back to another hunting adventure. Yeah, I lost the intro for this video, so that's why I'm doing it now, but pretty much me and my mate Blake just went out for 2 nights in search of a decent red stag. We're trying to get a decent one each, and it's pretty exciting, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's a pretty funny video. So yeah, anyway, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Plan is just go out for the evening and sort of scout some area. And hopefully spot a few animals and get onto even a decent stag or something like that. Right, sweet. We've taken the quad to where we want to go to. So about an 800 metre walk from here, and yeah, hopefully we get to a money spot. Sounds like rain's just starting to come in. Got about an hour and a bit of light left, so should be good timing by the time we get to the spot. And then sort of find a little posse and have a look around, and hopefully something pops out. A lot of sign around, so it's looking quite promising. Hopefully this weather plays ball. Anyway, go on to it. Alrighty, we stalked through that edge of those pines there, and there's a couple of hinds and a yearling out on the bush edge there, but yeah, the fog was in and out, and then that fog disappeared for a bit and they spotted us and buggered off. Then the fog came in, and then it's a bit all over the show, the wind's swirling everywhere and can't see bugger all with this fog. So bugger up there. Can't do much about the weather though. Can't see. Oh shit. How's it? Oh. Can't really see me. Oh Jesus, there you go. Yep. So no luck tonight. Saw a couple of animals out, but the fog and the wind sort of buggered us over a bit there. It's a bit of a pain with that fog, you couldn't see much. And yeah, in the pines it just went dark, just like that. And then that wind started swirling everywhere, but yeah, we saw those 3 deer, a couple of hinds and a yearling. And there's definitely, there's sign everywhere up there, so we're going to make a plan of attack for the morning and head up in that area. And fingers crossed, see a few more deer and a couple of stags and get some good footage and hopefully smack one over. At the moment, we are getting quite romantic here.
Vanilla smelling candles.
Yep, that's right. We got all the candles set up there, nice and scented. Blake thought it was a good idea to get the vanilla smelling going, get things a bit hot in there. Yeah, got the fire cranking. Cooked dinner on the old fire tonight. And what else? Oh, what have we got? Oh, here we go, some snacks. We're loaded up on snacks. You've got to make sure you get all the good snacks going. And then potatoes and steak and coleslaw or whatever for dinner. Yes. Oh, can't forget this double brown. Beauty. Beautiful side, isn't it? What are you on the old long whites?
Yeah, pussy juice.
Yeah.
Oh.
You reckon?
Tastes like a market.
Oh. Would you know? Jesus. Yep. The old lady's drink. Bloody hell.
Is that what it is?
Man, I might have tried if that's what it tastes like. Jeepers.
Keep drinking it.
The old double brown tastes like, well, Mother Nature's breast milk. Alright. We've got enough candles going, as you can see. Many candles. And we've got quite an adventure going on.
I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dinner is served. Straight out of the fireplace. What have we got, Blake?
Some on the fucking floor.
Oh shit.
You want some mashed potato? This one's not coming. Oh fuck.
Coleslaw, potatoes from the fire, venison at the end. It's actually good though. The venison's good.
Okay.
The rest of
Okay.
it's Jesus.
It's got some mashed potato there.
Venison back steaks, cooked on the fire.
Fallow back steaks.
Oh yes, true. Is this the big fellow buck?
Yep. Sure is.
That what? 242?
Yep. Oh, 43.
243 Douglas score. Ripper of a fellow. We're gonna enjoy the back steaks tonight. Talk about the 308.
Introduced by Winchester as a new sporting cartridge in 1952, the 308 is nothing more than the US T-65 or T65 or the NATO 7.62 times 51 mil military round.
I'll give my old rifle a good old clean. She's a bit dirty at the moment. The ladies won't like that one. You know.
No one likes a dirty rifle.
Morning. Woken up to the fog and the rain. It's a little bit miserable, but we'll go out and try our luck anyway. Wife did a bit of a spook and shoot mission. Just drive around in the quad and hopefully spook something out, and it's a big stag and we bloody nail it. Yeah, I'm not sure how many deer will be out at the moment in this weather, but we'll find out. We'll try our luck, see what we can get. Oh, well, that was a bit of bloody excitement right there. Didn't get that on film because of the rain, and it's just a bastard with the camera in the rain. It just, as soon as it gets wet, it shits itself. But yeah, we popped over the hill, and what, 10 metres away after that, there was antlers. So I loaded up, and a couple took off, and a decent, nice looking stag and a spiker run up on the track and stopped and looked at us for that split second. And I sort of thought, no, I won't shoot it because I'll see if that was the biggest one or not. But he definitely looked like the decent one. So I left him and he ran down the hill, and I quickly checked to see what the other stags were. And the other one was like a nice 8 or 10 or whatever. And then I thought, alright, so he's the biggest stag, so he's probably buggered off now. And we run up to check down where he'd run, and he was just standing there looking at us, so I thought, why not, pop him. So we smacked him over, and he's just down here, 50 metres, so we'll go check him out and see what he is. Hopefully he's decent. It's all just happened at once and no time to record or anything like that. Yeah, it's a bit of a surprise. I suppose this rain, every time with this rain you always seem to see all the animals out there in the rain. Yep, the old red bands. The old stalking boots at it again. Bloody beautiful. Here he is down there, parked up, dropped on the spot. There he is. Hopefully he's alright head. We'll find out. Not that big, eh? Oh no.
It's like a bush stag.
He's a shitter. Jesus.
There's those tiny little ones in front of the
He looked a bit more decent, eh?
shish here. How many points?
4, 9.
Shit. It's like a jet stag.
It is. Jesus.
Is he quite young or
Middle-aged.
middle-aged stag? Probably wasn't going to go to much anyway.
Yeah. Here's the biggest one there.
Definitely.
Oh, here he is. Bit of a bugger, thought he was a bit more decent, but is what it is. At least he's got a bit of headgear, so something, at least a shot at something, I guess. Like, he's not terrible. We just got very high expectations, so we're sounding like it's a shitter. It's not actually that bad of a head.
It's a nice bush stag.
Yeah, yeah. And he's not super young. He's probably, well, he looks middle-aged, so he wouldn't have been anything great anyway. Quite big-bodied. We've got to go straight up. So we'll gut him up and then see how heavy he is, see if we can drag him up. Otherwise, might have to cut him. Yeah, figure it out. Sweet. Righty, we're back. The weather is really setting now. Here's the big trophy. Yeah. Oh, and got all the meat. I'll show you here. We had to cut it up and take it out all cut up because it was a heavy animal and we couldn't really drag it or try to chuck it on the old back, but that wasn't too good. So we've got front shoulders, back legs, back steaks, eye fillets. So we've finished lunch on the old fire, and outside it is
Sunny.
yeah, it's quite miserable. Constant rain for the next couple hours, few hours, so I'd say the plan is to get comfy. I'm in my sleeping bag. I've got a nice vanilla scented candle.
Beautiful.
And some music going, so yes, all's good, and hopefully we'll go out soon once this weather clears, but doesn't look too good. It's just getting heavier and heavier. Anyway. $3:30 now. Oh, just had a sleep. Jeepers. And yeah, it's still pissing down. So me and Blake don't want to get too much of a wet ass. So it's meant to die down a little bit later maybe. Hopefully we can get out for a shot tonight. Alright, we're off. So 4:30, and oh, the weather's still pretty average, but it's calmed down a little bit. So see what we can see. Hopefully they're still out and about, and yeah, hopefully we don't get too wet either. Sweet. Some pigs just up in here. How's it? How's it, little piggies? Pig, 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 pig. Yeah. yeah, made it back now. Got all the candles cranking, fire cranking. Gonna start cooking dinner and might head out for a spotlight. See what's happening. Just depends on this weather really. Because we're off tomorrow, so not much time left to get ourselves a big stag. But anyway, we saw quite a lot of deer. Didn't get on camera because it's a bit of a spook and shoot sort of a thing. We're just boosting around on the quad and we've probably seen, shit, how many deer? 3, 5 here and probably nearly a dozen deer I'd say. So it's quite a good effort really. But no, decent stags. A couple of little stags around, spiker and whatnot. Then just hinds and yearlings and stuff. Right, we're cooking away. As you can see in the fireplace here, we've got our meat, we've got some potatoes in there. Bloody marvellous. Dinner served, straight out of the fireplace. Rump steak, taties, coleslaw. Yes, it's been interesting. Takes a while to cook on the old fireplace, I tell you. But anyway, we got there in the end. After this, time for a spotlight. Oh!
Out the garage.
Yes. Alright, time to go spotlighting. Off we go. Yes! Oh! Shit, he's coming to me! Oh, Jesus. Got him! What, you got him, mate? What an effort. Yeah, haven't seen any deer yet. Yeah. Oh, yes. Bloody beautiful. Double brown. We've given up the spotlighting. It was quite unsuccessful. Oh, no, we got something. We got a goat. Blake got a goat. Caught it. Yeah. So.
My missus now.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Yeah.
Was it a nanny goat?
Yep. The young nanny.
Oh, nice. We've decided that we're much better at drinking cold beverages than hunting, so that's what we've reverted to tonight. So I suppose we're just going to sit in front of the fire and talk shit. Much warmer, much nicer, and bring on tomorrow. It's the last morning, and the rain stopped, which is a good thing. The fog's still in, which is a bit of a pain, but we'll just have to work with it. Sort of just try and make it work in our favour a bit, because if we can't see the deer in the fog, then the deer can't see us. Yeah, sweet. See how we get on.
Shirt and a Magnum 44, 'cause sometimes you need just a little bit of more.
The rain's coming in. Getting on the camera bloody wet, but I've spotted a few deer. So we're just going to put the binos up and see if there's any stags there. Sneaking in on these deer that we'd seen. Just saw a spiker.
Well, the bone
Just nosy
bail
off
and
in
the
the
hands
bush. We
won't
just
go.
spooked behind it. Yeah, we
Life
just
can be hard, so I have been told if
carrying
you
on, just
don't
do it.
live your dreams and you always wonder why the overruns is tusked while your life passes you by. I'm singing dog and knife. I haven't got time for white collar life.
Oh well, that does it for this trip, and you have to say it's successful. We got one animal on the deck, so I suppose at least we got something. Wasn't a big one that we're after, but it's not a bad head nonetheless. And yeah, sweet. That's it for this video. So cheers for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy it, and I'll catch you in the next one.